Hi bowl bakers, rolling smooth bread rolls is a really important technique to learn how to do, and it can be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So you take a little piece of dough, you turn it over, pull all your creases to the back, nice and smooth. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to push it into a flourless counter, no flour. Push it in and you'll feel the bread, look at that, starting to take shape, pop back into your hands and get lovely and smooth. And within seconds, you have a beautiful smooth bread roll and hardly any seams or creases on the bottom. So this is perfect. I'll show you one more time. A piece of dough, pull all the creases to the back. There we go, a flourless work surface. So you get traction on your surface. Push it in with your hand. Shape it into a roll like this. And in seconds, you have a beautiful, smooth bread roll and barely any creases on the bottom. So this is a really important technique because once your bread bakes, if you have lines and you have creases, they will show up in your bread and you don't want that. And it's really important when you're making my bagels, making hot dog buns, making hamburger buns and dinner rolls. So practice this technique. It does take a little bit of practice, a little bit of time, but trust me, you will get there.